Hey folks, you may know that the TourBox controller is a hardware controller that can be used to edit photos and video in various programs. And today I'm going to talk to you about a new feature that was released in the TourBox console version 5.10 and above. And it's for Davinci Resolve, and it can be used to color grade in the color page. It's really cool. I'll show you how to get it working, tell you what it is, and tell you my thoughts. So let's get going. Step 0. Upgrade your TourBox console to at least version 5.10. Step 1. In the new version of the TourBox console, create a new Davinci Resolve preset. It's important to create a new one because now you can create separate key combinations for all the pages of Davinci Resolve. That means, for example, you can have separate key combinations for the Edit page and the Fusion page. Step 2. Make sure you enable the experimental HoverAdjust feature. Go to the experimental features and make sure HoverAdjust for Davinci Resolve is enabled. Step 3. Okay, you should be good to go. Now, just go to the color page and hover your mouse over any of the color wheels. Use the scroll wheel to change the magnitude of the color adjustment and the knob to change the hue. And you can also use it in the color warper as well. So I've been using the TourBox console mainly to edit photos in Darktable. But this Davinci Resolve color grading tool is pretty nice because adjusting the color wheels is a little difficult with precision because you have to kind of look where your mouse cursor is. So I actually do appreciate the ability to adjust the color in any of the color wheels just using 2 knobs, which is a little more precise than using the mouse cursor. And of course, you don't have to look at the color wheels when you're doing the adjustments with the new system. So I think it's pretty cool and quite helpful for color grading. Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, but if you didn't, try cutting and pasting film by hand.